Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make tostones with shrimp on top. So it's like a Caribbean flavor, and I'm gonna show you how. So here I have about 12 shrimp, and we have some plantain that looks like a banana, but it's not a banana. It doesn't taste like a banana, and once it's fried, it's like a potato chip almost. So we're gonna make like a scampi. So we have white wine, we have olive oil, we have lemon zest, about half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, and we'll keep tasting it. And here we have some mozzarella cheese that I grated, and squeeze a lemon, and I'll show you how. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to peel these. Just go to the ends right here. I like to go right in the middle, and then I like to go on the sides like this, and then I like to use a spoon and just put it in there, and you see how it peels out. So this will take a little process here, but this is how you peel the banana, guys. Well, plantain in this case. And this is how it looks. Why, some people ask, why don't you just peel it like a banana? Because you can't, see? You just can't. This is the process that you have to do to peel the banana. Okay guys, so now we're gonna cut it into like 1-inch pieces. And then we're gonna fry these pieces one time. Okay. So now we're going to put our plantain and fry them. Remember guys, it doesn't taste like a banana, so keep that in mind so you don't think you're going to have a banana flavored shrimp cocktail or something. We're going to fry them until they get golden brown, or not golden brown, but like golden. And then I'm going to put them here so that the excess oil will just come off of them. Okay guys, so this is the way it's supposed to look. Nice and golden. So now we're going to put our plantain in the lemon strainer, and we're going to make little cups, and that's how they're going to come out. So I just flatten out the little parts that are sticking out, and our shrimp is going to go right in here. We're going to have to fry these again and make them very crunchy, and I'll show you how. Okay, now we're going to put pepper and salt into our shrimp, and we're just going to mix it up so it can go right into our scampi. Okay, olive oil in. So we're going to do like a shrimp scampi type deal, and we're going to put our garlic in there. We're going to add a little bit more oil, and I'm just going to get it off the heat just so it doesn't burn. Now we're going to add just a little bit of white wine, and we're going to let the alcohol evaporate. And now we're going to put about 6 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to lower the heat, and then just till it melts. And I already have some chili flakes, but I'm just going to add just a little more, not much. If you don't like heat, don't put it, just leave it out. And now we're just going to let it melt. Now we're going to put our lemon zest right in there. That's going to give it a lot of flavor. All the essential oils from the lemon is going to make it mucho delicioso. Okay, so now we're going to put our shrimp inside there. Now we're going to just let it all get nicely and buttery and garlicky. So just put them all on one side and let them cook, let them get pink, and then I'll turn them over in just a minute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flip them over. See the nice pink color they got from gray to pink. That's what you want. And there you go. They are done. So now we're gonna fry our plantain. So now we're gonna put our little cups and fry them up until crunchy. Now we're just gonna put our celery right there and mix it up. And there is our shrimp scampi all ready to be put into the cups. So now we'll see how they are. And they are crunchy. Yes, they are. So we'll take them out. We'll just put them so they can dry off of that grease. And then we'll stuff our plantain, our plátano maduro. Okay, now we get our shrimp and put them inside the little cups. And I will do about 2 for each one. Okay, so that's how they look. Then we come over here, and what I do is I put a little bit of lemon on both of them, and then I put the cheese on top, and this is gonna make it melt into your mouth. Okay, so now I put aluminum foil, and we're gonna put it to broil until the cheese melts. You don't want it too long. Just keep watching it until the cheese melts, and then we're gonna be eating these beautiful plantains. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments, hit me down below. You're gonna love this. I know you are.